Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppet. That's right, we have a parrot this time. I think he's a parrot, but we're going to have a bird again talk for you right here. This is quite a colorful bird, lots of beautiful plumage there, and I want to tell you I got it for $1.99. That's pretty cool. Not too bad a price, but it will make an interesting puppet. But let me find out what brand this is. It says Me. Hold on a second. Let me get that tag off of there. What else does it say on the other side? It doesn't say a thing. It's Me brand. Me brand? I don't know if that's true. There's like a little kind of another little character thing there. It says Los Angeles, California, USA. Well, I'll tell you what. We're going to try and make it a puppet anyway. So to start off, we have this little ribbon around his neck. I need to remove that, because if there's any chance that I will be putting my hand through, that ribbon will not be there, okay, or cannot be there. So let's do this. Let's start with a seam ripper. There's a seam that goes right up the back. I will attempt. This is a really cheesy bird, by the way. It's not very good quality. It's probably one of those that you get from the county fair. Very flimsy material here, but I still thought it would be an interesting puppet. So I'm going to give it a shot, just like so. Again, these are cool, easy ways to make a puppet. You basically just take a stuffed animal and cut a hole in the back to reach your hand through, and away you go, okay? So let's remove some of that material there. Let's remove some there. Let's remove some from the head cavity there, just like that. I think we should even remove it from the beak. I'm going to pop the beak backwards. We're going to remove the contents of the beak. There's one half of the beak, the top half, and here comes the bottom half. Okay, and we're going to pop that back out. Is this going to be a quick and easy one? I think so. Look at this. For $2, I can even put my hand, it's almost stretchy. For $2, I just made, I'm going to have to do it kind of weird. It's almost like a scissor fingers. I made a puppet for $2. Look at this, guys. It's a parrot. Parrot. It's a parrot. What is your name? Polly. Polly wants a cracker. We don't have any crackers. That's okay. I'll take a package of Toasties, the peanut butter cracker treat that you can get from the store. I don't think we have any Toasties either. What a shame to not have Toasties. What's your issue? Do you always talk like that? Of course I do. I'm a parrot. Okay, well, that's very nice. Hey, we did it! We did it! We made a parrot puppet, and we had fun in the process. It was a quick one, an easy one, and there he is, a parrot. Parrot! So, hey, thank you very much for coming along. For those of you who've been with us before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe for updates. And I want to thank you again for coming along. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, Parrot. Bye-bye. 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 See you next time.